So guys, in my fridge is a mess. Okay, a mess. I need help. So inside here I have some American cheese, which gone. See that, people? I have right here some of that. I have some shredded cheese, butter, coconut milk, my jerk seasoning, peach and mango fruit spread. I have my minced garlic right there, my spicy ketchup, my croissants, more jerk seasoning. I have a lot of jerk seasoning. And down here I have Pepto, some Sunny D, some grape jelly. Right here I have some Boost. I have Milo, Irish cream, more jerk barbecue. I have a little bit in there. What is this? Oh, this pudding thing. Prune juice, another Boost, a chocolate flavor. Guys, my fridge is a hot mess. I'm gonna clean it out, but I'm just showing you guys what's going on in there. I have the grapefruit, more orange juice. I have the lactate milk because I'm lactose intolerant. I have the Caribbean greens, and I have a whole box of eggs because I eat eggs a lot. There goes a whole box of eggs. I have some pop choy right there. Oh Jesus, in this fridge just joke. I have this double cream thingy right here. I didn't like it that much. I bought it on sale because I said I want to try it, but I didn't like it. I have some more eggs right there, strawberries, some old pizza, my almond milk. I have some more leftovers in that. I have some leftover rice, celery, my Activia yogurt all the way in the back, fish, cauliflower, more butter, of course. And let me take you guys to the top. Of course, I have my mixed vegetable, people, right there. I have my jumbo franks. I have some little pork chops. I have French fries. My daughter, of course, I don't really mess around with that. I have some ground beef because I'm not ground beef, which I try to stay away from. And I have a lot of fish. I have this whole bag full of salmon right there. I have my whole bag of corn because I love corn. I eat corns a lot. I have shrimp in that. More fish. My beef Texas sausage, smoked sausage. More franks again, of course. I have these little foods. I like them. Like on my lazy days when I don't feel like cooking, I'll put one of these in the microwave. You know, they don't have a lot of, just 11 grams, something like that. Something like that. Took the box off it. So sometimes I'll do that. I have more fish. I eat more fish than anything else. I have this lemon, what is this? Pork Leon fillet, lemon and pepper. Really good. And you know, I have a child, so I have the pops and I have some ice cream, which has been sitting there because I don't like that flavor. But guys, let me know what's in your fridge. My fridge is a mess. Oh, I forgot to show y'all down here my vegetables, of course. Onion and stuff. Onion, Irish. I think I have broccoli in there and cabbage right there. So guys, that's what's in my fridge. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.